Here's how to set up the organization of a wedding film inside of Final Cut Pro. So in Final Cut Pro, I'm gonna go to File, New Library. I'll name it the name of the couple. So after making the new library, I'll now go to File, New Event. And for event, I'll call it 0 and then Projects. If you misspelt the word, you can hit Enter on it to change it. So I'll have it say Projects, File, New Event. I'll put 1 Interior, Exterior. File, New Event 2. Put Bride Getting Ready. File, New Event 3. Groom Getting Ready. New Event 4. I'll put First Look. And usually after the first look, there's family photos. And since first look's usually just like one video, I like to add these two together. The other thing is, like on the projects, I'll usually have the highlight film, new project, the ceremony, new project, first dance. So usually whatever I'm going to be delivering to them, I'll create the new projects. After first look and family photos is then the ceremony. And then once again, ceremony is usually just one video, so I put ceremony and dinner. New event. And I usually just like to put this in the order that everything happened, so it's all laid out right there. So next is toasts. Usually when you create a new library, you have an event right here, so you can just move this to the trash. And then we have dances, and then we have exit. Now after dinner, the ceremony and dinner, I'll go ahead and also add and cutting the cake. Alright, so now that we have all of the events, so if you go over to the desktop, right click, hit new folder, you can then type the couple's name. Inside of that folder, I have the different cameras and the audio. So when I go to the main camera, now what you can do is you'll just want to highlight everything. So looking at right here, interior, exterior. So I'll go ahead and highlight all of this right here. Hold down Command, click on this video. I'm gonna right click and I'm gonna choose, I'm gonna tag it with red. And this is so I know that I have already moved the video clips over. So now if I drag this video, I can move it to interior, exterior, and now it's over here for Bride Getting Ready. I'll do the same thing. By looking at the thumbnails, you can see what you are grabbing. So I'll go ahead and use this one as orange, move this over to Bride Getting Ready, and now back here it goes back to interior, exterior. So I'll go ahead and highlight all of these, and I'll put it the same thing as the original one, which is red. Move this to interior, exterior, and then you continue this for just the rest of your footage. And this is what you want to do to get everything organized. It makes it so much easier to when you're doing the edits. That's it for this video. If you'd like to see the final product for this wedding, I have it linked right here. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider commenting, liking, and subscribing, and have a good day.